Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Gordon Frayne and today we are showing you a tutorial on how to send USDT from Binance to MetaMask. As always, before we jump into the topic, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button as well. We are on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers, and make sure you smash the bell notification icon so you can get notified every time we drop a new video. We are dropping multiple videos every single week for you to stay up to date on all the latest movements in the cryptocurrency space. So how do you send USDT from Binance to MetaMask? Let's dive in. Of course, the prerequisite here is that firstly, you have a Binance account that has USDT in the Binance account. And the second prerequisite is that you have the MetaMask wallet already set up as well. So if you want to send USDT from Binance to your MetaMask wallet, then you're going to want to go over to your spot wallet area. And as I said, ideally, you will already have the USDT that you want to send. But if not, you can use the convert feature on Binance to convert one currency into another. So again, if you wanted to click on the convert function here, again, for example, if we wanted to convert USDC into USDT, we could set up that transfer. Then we can see that 1 USDC is equal to 0.996464 USDT. And we can click on the convert button to give us a quote. And then we can confirm the conversion. So that is how you get USDT in the first place. But if you want to send it to your MetaMask wallet, then you need to get the destination wallet address. So you need to open up your MetaMask wallet, and we've got it open in the browser here. And the other thing to factor into this equation is your network that you're going to use to send the funds. So again, we're going to use BNB chain for this particular example, but you might be using a different chain or a different network to send the USDT from your Binance account to MetaMask. It doesn't make a difference. The process is still the same. However, the gas fee will differ depending on the network that you choose. For example, Ethereum gas fees are extremely high, so it's going to cost you more to send that USDT to your MetaMask if you use the Ethereum network versus using something like the BNB network. So we're going to remain in the BNB network here on our MetaMask account. We can see that we've got 83 cents of USDT in the account at the moment. We're going to copy our wallet address and we're going to go back over to the Binance spot wallet. What we're then going to do is click on the drop down here beside USDT. We're going to go to the withdrawal option. We're going to enter in our wallet destination address that we want to send it to. And then what we're going to do is we're going to see that the network has been auto-populated, but you want to double check this and make sure that you have selected the correct network that corresponds to the network that you have open in your MetaMask wallet. So again, we're using the Binance Smart Chain network. You can see that the transaction fee is going to be around 22 cents. But if we were to use something like ETH, it could be upwards of $15 to make the same transaction. So again, the network that you choose does make a difference with regards to how much of the transaction fee you're going to pay. So we would select BSC. Again, Binance is going to prompt you to confirm that you have selected the correct network and that the withdrawal address does indeed support the BNB Smart Chain, because that's the option that we have selected. So as I have said already, we can confirm that by clicking yes, I'm sure. Then we just need to denote how much USDT we want to send from Binance to our MetaMask wallet. So again, we could just enter 1 USDT. Again, it's going to show us the network fee at the bottom here, and it's going to show us how much we're going to receive into our MetaMask wallet after that fee is taken off. So $1 minus 22 cents equals 78 cents that will actually land in our MetaMask wallet. So then what we do is we click on the withdraw button. Once again, Binance is going to prompt us to double check that we have selected the correct network and that we have selected and added the correct wallet address. We can click on confirm. Then it's going to give us a summary of the transaction details. So showing us the destination address, showing us the chain that we're using or the network that we're using, the amount that we're sending and the amount that we're receiving minus the network fee, and it's coming out of our spot wallet on Binance. We can click continue, and the final thing it's going to prompt us to do is enter the two-factor authentication code from our authenticator app or whichever 2FA solution you are using with Binance. And then once you enter that, the transaction gets processed and it will land over in your MetaMask wallet. So that is the straightforward way on how to send USDT from Binance to your MetaMask wallet. The final thing to note here is it's always worth doing a test transaction. So for example, if your goal is ultimately to send, let's say, $1,000 from Binance to MetaMask, you should send $1 or $2 in a test transaction just to make sure that it actually does correctly route to the wallet address that you have stated and that it actually does land in your MetaMask wallet correctly. Once you do a test transaction for $1 or $2, you then know that you did everything correctly. It landed in your MetaMask wallet safely, and then you can go ahead and proceed to execute your larger transaction for, again, let's say $1,000. So that is how you send USDT from Binance to the MetaMask wallet. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button as well. We're on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers. And smash that bell notification icon so you can get notified every time we drop a new video. As always, we will catch you in the next one.